What's going on, guys? I'm actually going to teach you something a little different. Haymakers. A lot of times we see them. We know what they look like. They're these big punches, big giant punches that feel like they mean something. But in reality, they can. It just depends on how you throw them. A lot of times when I see these fights on YouTube or in person, it's a lot of hands pull up, hands out here like they're trying to fly, and then they go, wow, wow, whoa, they're swinging. Your head leaning back is the best way you're going to get haymakered. And I say that because the haymaker is such a reach of a punch, and it's over the head. It's like you're making this whole arch. You're not doing this crazy slap. With the right technique, it's wham, like you're drilling. It's like the fist is going up and downward. It's like a drill punch if you think about it. So the best way we're going to do this together is we're going to talk about the stepping, because a lot of times haymakers do not come from just standing still. They come from building momentum and stepping into the punch. So I'm here and I'm going to step away, assuming that a punch is coming towards me, right? I'm going to step, and as I do that, I'm aiming for the nose or the neck or the chest. We're going to pretend we're dodging a hook punch or a jab, or a hook punch. Either way, it's still dangerous. I'm gonna squat down and step off to the left here. So I'm gonna squat down, I step off to the left. As I do that, my hand is already turning. This is where the haymaker starts. So I turn my body and I keep everything tight and I go up and over, and I want you to imagine there's a target just a little above your head and you're gonna go boom right across that head. You're doing a boom, you're doing over the top. And if I can get my glove, you're here, that's what you're doing. You're here, over the top. It's over. 1, 2. Notice what my body does here. I step off to the side, hand comes up and down, and I am drilling. You could do this as a palm strike too. I'm here, I'm coming up, I come wham! Whole hand is smacking on the face. A lot of damage you could do there. I only recommend using this if like you feel like you want to be sneaky and you want to be light contact in a sparring match. But if you're going to knock someone out, I would use it and know exactly when you're going to hit it, okay? Because if you miss, you better hope you know how to recover after you miss. It's just a big boom, right up downtown, up all the way up, straight to downtown. My only advice is keep your hand on or eyes on your opponent. Don't just blindly shoot. Just step off and look at your opponent. Because poor Pikachu right here, I step off to the side, hand comes up, bam. That's all I'm doing. 1, 2. It's a big over the top drill. If this is his chest, boom. If it's the head, boom. But I'm going over. From your motion, or from my view to you guys, boom. That's my technique side, so you can see. So here, 1, 2. 1, or if it's a hook punch, squat, 2. Boom, okay? And I'm going on a straight line. Nothing should be bent this way. If I'm gonna hit you, everything should be straight towards you guys. But I hope that helps you guys learn a little bit about the haymaker. Just be careful when using these. I would practice this slowly, get where the feel is, and then go a little harder, okay? Come to me, da. Thank you. Good luck.